Hello, everyone. You know, I'm standing here. Sorry, this is probably my fourth film in Telugu, but I'm still yet to learn Telugu. I'll definitely do it next time. But we are standing here with I normally when I come on stage, there's a lot of tension. RR is going on, mixing is going on. I want to be ready with the mix and everything. But there is a sense of confidence here because we can assure you wholesome experience. The movie has come out great, I think. And today, just day before yesterday, Vivek and I saw the climax together, and we were both looking at each other, and there's that positivity. And yesterday, Danaya Garu had come to the studio. That's the first time the second time probably he came and, sir, can I see the reel? Sir, of course you can see it, and he saw it. There's a sense of confidence in him. So I want to talk about a few people I got a call for this movie. After we did a movie with Dulquer Salman, King of Kotha, we did a film. And after that, I heard from some sources that Nani Garu had liked the title track of the movie and that he was interested in looking for his next film. And I've heard so much about Vivek Atreya from my sound designers, Sing Cinema. And when I got a call from Vivek Atreya, because it's difficult to get a director with the same sense of, you can do all kinds of music, but you need to be aligned with the director. You have to have similar taste to how you execute the scene, how you develop the tension in the scene. And Vivek and I almost got into his head, I think, and we were together in this as a close bunch. And I can tell you, in a long time, I've done over 50 films, and this is one of the best written commercial entertainers in a long while, and I can tell you that. And he has put in that much of effort. 1 year the fellow worked day and night, and every day he's been thinking about it. And Nani Garu, like the producer said, is one actor who can, he's there throughout the process, invisibly giving you that kind of, perfection in the songs and in the background scores, encouraging everybody, and his team, Venkat, and everybody who constantly, not in a pushy way, but supporting us in the best way possible. Thank you so much. It was a great experience to work on this film. And S.J. Surya sir, you will see his Tandavam in the movie. He's done a fantastic job. Priyanka, ma'am, all of them. I'm so happy I'm part of this. So we'll see you on 29th. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And we are going to see and witness your extraordinary work. पुराने ज़माने में नरकासुर नाम के एक राक्षस रहता था.